Hi, this is Miss T Ideas back with another video. I just got through painting some leather, inking some leather, and I decided to make some more. And I'm making it with a Ross bag. Everybody out there, welcome to my channel. If you're new to it, and you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm. This is what you're gonna see, a lot of leather that I make, the faux leather, and this is what I make it out of. Brown paper bags. I was doing it outside of the being on camera. Did I say I might as well get on camera and do it? You know, at least the first few steps. Right now, that's all I'm doing is rolling up the bag. I don't usually make a piece this big at one time, but I want to use all the bag. Alright. And I'm going to do this as simple as I can. Okay. I got a bottle right here by me. I always keep some water by me because I like to stay hydrated. I'm going to wet the paper. It's going to be simple, just simple. No stress. Okay, let me get it this way. Got to be soft enough for me to ball up a little bit. But you don't have to wet it that much. Okay. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to wet the other one. I'm gonna do it both at one time. I just got a bottle of water that I just had a little bit left in it. That's what I'm using. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over this way and see, this is the Ross's bag. Alright, now I'm gonna take this conditioner. This is hair conditioner. And just wipe it on this bag. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this other piece of bag. What I'm going to do is the side I want leather, I'm going to put it down here, face it down, so it can get wet and moisturized too. I got a tutorial on in my videos, but this is just some fast way of just doing it. Fast and informal. Okay, I'm rolling this up. Make it full level. Balled up. Let me see. It's balled up. Put it right there. Have children leave their neighborhood and come to your neighborhood and play. How about that? Your parents probably tell them, get out of here with that noise, and here they come. Okay, that makes sense, don't it? All right. I got some, the other, faux leather that I've, made. The ink is drying on it. Then the last step is to put some, Mod Podge on it. I don't know why this part is more done up than the other part. This is the part I'm using. You know, this when I get on this thing, it look like you want to give me all kind of prompts. Stop and let me finish my the video. I do not want to restart now. Not now. Got all night to do that. And the computer actually, do you want to do it now in between something? Now, you know, the computers are smart. They know what they're asking me when they're asking me. This is a little water and conditioner. So you can use glycerin or lotion, but the way I learned was with hair conditioner. Because the way conditioner break down your hair and moisturize it is how I do this bag. Oh, yeah, it's nice. Nice feel. I hope y'all don't hear them kids in the background. It's just here. They don't know. My neighbors don't play. I was trying to save them. Because I got some neighbors that'll call on them quick, fast, and in a hurry. They need to move around. They need to move around. All right. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to ball this up. And I'm going to work on the other piece. Where's the other piece at? Where did I put the other piece? Oh, right here. Why y'all tell me it was right there? Let's see. Yeah, my neighbors are something else, baby. They need to move around. Blue light will be on. Leave their neighborhood to come play over here. I hear doors closing right now. This is brown paper bag and lotion and a little bit of water. And what I'm doing is making wrinkles. Like leather have wrinkles. That's what I'm doing when I'm making wrinkles. This might be the part. Because the other part got that split in it. That's all I'm doing is making wrinkles. And however much you want to wrinkle it. You know, like this will take longer, but if you want to let it dry like this, sometimes I'll put it out on my my front porch and I'll let it dry balled up. It put a good thick wrinkle on it when it dry. Like I said, I'm just showing you how, just no stress, fast way. If you want to see a full demonstration of me making the leather and finishing the leather, I have that in my videos. I have videos of that. I do things behind the scenes. So I just thought, let me turn the video on and just get this done, make a short video of this. Now, I'm not going to finish this tonight. I'm going to let this dry because I'm working on some other right now. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to, when I send out Happy Meal, I'm going to, I think I'm going to put just a little sample of this in the Happy Meal. Because I know the last person that sent some, she really liked it. She enjoyed it. Okay, now, I'm going to move this over to the side. once you get through conditioner, it don't really feel like paper, especially when you finish with everything. I had some, one of my last videos I made was some decoupage paper, decoupage napkins. And let me tell you something. They say that's addicting. It is, because I need to make some more. I do a lot of upcycling. I work with junk journals, but I like to upcycle things that will normally be discarded. I like to make stuff out of nothing. Trash to treasure stuff. I even have bags of chip bags and stuff I've sold on. And okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I did. Again, in case somebody wasn't here, this is a Ross's bag. You can use any bag, just brown bags. These brown bags, when you go to the store, instead of getting your plastic bag, tell them you want some brown bags. Matter of fact, if they grocery your bags in some plastic bags, if you ask them for a few brown bags, they'll still give you some. But the past summer, I went in my grocery, Ross's. I was doing a project with the kids. I had a project, yeah, show them how to do something. And they gave me lots of bags. Not this particular store, but they were generous too. I didn't have no problem getting no bags when I told them what it was for. And because they don't give them to you. You don't even know they have them unless you ask for them. And I mean, they in plain sight. I mean, but when you, I never needed them for nothing. Okay, that's it. That's the wrinkles in there. This is the pre-video for how you make faux leather. And I used a little bit of water that I had left, and I used conditioner, and you can use any kind of conditioner. They said you can use, also it could be glycerin or maybe even lotion, but I learned on conditioner, and any kind will do, the cheapest you can get. Miss T Ideas, Miss T Ideas, and like and subscribe to my video. It helped the algorithm. I'm on my way to 500. I want to get over that. If I can get, it's a milestone. It would be a milestone for me. I appreciate everyone that watched the videos. I thank you for being here and supporting my channel. Miss T Ideas, bye.